Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing. I've been doing a bunch of unboxings, love doing them, and I love sharing with you what I use in my kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you something fun and unique, but also very effective and a great investment for your kitchen, and especially if you're doing keto as well, or any kind of like low carb diet. But before we get started, please remember to subscribe and turn notifications. Please hit that bell. And also give me a like if you like the video and comment. I love to chat back and forth with you guys and answer your questions and talk to you. It's really fun. But I've noticed a lot of people who watch the videos are not subscribed. So if you can please subscribe, it makes a world of difference. You know, trying to make the channel grow, but I enjoy doing these videos, big or small. It's always fun. So thanks for tuning in. More to come. Stay tuned. All right, so here it is. This is my OXO Good Grips Spiralizer. So I'm gonna take out the box right now and show it to you guys, but it's a great tool, really well made, and I love using it. And it's great for like spiralizing zucchini, carrots. You can do everything from cabbage to potatoes, whatever you think about, and it has a lot of assortments of different recipes you can actually do, but a very versatile tool for the kitchen and a great investment too. All right, so this is the Spiralizer. It's a very simple design. It has a lever and a suction cup on the bottom to help you to fix it in place for your safety and stability to like hard surfaces. I have it on top of my butcher block, but I usually use it on top of a granite countertop or something that's hard, kind of clean surface, as it really fixes nicely to it and it really stays in place nicely. It has a hand cranked like lever, I would say, and also it locks into position like that so that things just kind of stay in place. Another thing that's really cool about it is it actually has several different attachments. So this one's like for just like doing like straight, like shaved spirals. This one is one I use probably the most often, and that's like for like doing like zucchini, like noodles. It's like a spaghetti sized noodle, really great. And then also this one's a little bit more of a thicker noodle. So really kind of a great, you know, amount of versatility, as well as different options you can actually use to kind of design and make the kind of meal or recipe you want to make. All of these are dishwasher safe too. They come in a nice little carrying case that snaps in position like that, and it slides right here for easy storage as well. So I really love using it, and it's great. What I usually do is I take a plate and put it alongside, and that plate really helps to be able to catch all the zucchini. Or you can do it on a countertop, but just for easy cleaning and prep, I like to have a little plate underneath there. It catches all the zucchini noodles or zoodles, and you have them ready to go. So pretty simple, but a great tool, and I love using it. I definitely recommend it as well. So there you go. Hopefully you like it as well. And if you have any questions about spiralizers or just doing keto or low carb recipes, let me know. One thing too, it does come with a little bit of a recipe guide too, like it's like low carb, but also, I wouldn't say all low carb. It has like some potato recipes as well, but just some different things you can do that are kind of creative and simple, easy recipes. So pretty cool, pretty good value. I actually did buy this one at Marshall's. I know that I saw the exact same one at like Surlatab for twice the price, maybe a little bit more than twice the price. I think this one actually cost $19.99, so a great deal. I think it was actually $49.95 or something like that at Surlatab, so over twice the price. But same identical model, but a great deal. So, but I actually think it's worth the $50 price point, but it's always great saving money, right? So, all right, see you later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn notifications.